The National Electrical Code, or NEC, does address the need to plan for future circuits when wiring a new home. NEC Section 220.82 states that a service panel board shall be installed in each building or structure where required by this code. It shall provide overcurrent protection for all circuits and feeders in or supplying that building or structure. The interpretation of this code section is that the service panel board must have enough space for the overcurrent protection devices of all circuits and feeders in the building. This implicitly includes planning for future circuits that may be added later on. This requirement ensures the electrical system can be expanded safely and efficiently without requiring a complete panel replacement. In addition to the NEC requirement, it's also good electrical practice to consider the following factors when planning for future circuits. Firstly, estimate load growth. Determine the potential future electrical needs of the home and plan accordingly. Think about potential additions like a home office, electric vehicle charger, or a workshop. Accurately forecasting these future loads will help determine the necessary panel size and the number of spare circuits. Secondly, panel capacity is important. Select a service panel board with adequate capacity to accommodate both current and future circuits. Consider a panel with more spaces than immediately needed to provide flexibility for adding circuits later. Remember to consider the main breaker amperage rating and ensure it's sufficient for the total load, including future additions. Thirdly, you must think about physical space. Allow sufficient physical space in the panel board and wire gutter for future circuit breakers and wires. Cramped conditions can make adding circuits difficult and potentially unsafe. Ensure there is enough room to work comfortably and maintain proper wire bending radii. Finally, labeling is essential. Clearly label all circuits and spaces reserved for future circuits to ensure proper identification and maintenance. Use a permanent marker or label maker to create clear and easy-to-read labels. This will help prevent confusion and ensure that future work is done safely and correctly. By adhering to the NEC requirements and incorporating these best practices, homeowners can ensure their electrical systems are safe, reliable, and adaptable to future needs.